What happened, Brian? Why aren't you a customer?
Unfortunately, I'm not a customer of yours. I regret that decision. I should have trusted my instincts. I went solar with somebody else, trying to save a buck, and I'm losing money because of that. The solar install went great, but the process afterwards regarding receiving my benefits, New Jersey state rec and incentive, like those applications were never done. Saving a buck cost me thousands. Listen, I offered Paul money to help me, and he declined. Again, I appreciate you helping me, even though I'm not a customer of yours. Again, he's doing this from the bottom of his heart.
Because I actually compared Paul's service to another service. Paul had actually identified so many discrepancies in their contract that person, a friend of mine, wasn't even aware of. Very extremely knowledgeable. You're not just here, just take my money. Trust you. You recognize people's lack of knowledge in solar, and great with just clear, concise information. You offer that peace of mind, genuine about helping people and not trying to get over on people. And I think that right there, you can't put a price tag on.